Hey, I'm Nick from Highcamp, and today we're gonna batch a margarita. If you're not familiar with batching, it's just one cocktail scaled up. Today, using our Highball Shaker, I'm gonna make 6 margaritas. The Highball Shaker fits up to 750 milliliters of cocktails to easily serve your whole party. To batch any cocktail, all you need to know is the recipe. A margarita is 2 parts tequila, 1 part lime juice, a half part triple sec, and a half part agave nectar. All right, the first thing we're gonna do is fill our Highball Shaker about halfway up with ice. The next thing we're gonna do is use the upscale jigger to easily scale up this recipe. We're gonna use the 4-ounce side, and we're gonna use the tequila 2 parts, and we're gonna fill up the 4-ounce side twice. Next, we're gonna do 1 part lime juice. And I always recommend fresh lime juice. 1 part lime juice is 4 ounces. We're filling this all the way to the top one time. Next, we're doing 1/2 part triple sec. We're going to the second line inside the jigger. And lastly, we're doing the agave nectar, and we're going to the second line again, just half a part, but 2 ounces. All right, what I love about the Highball Shaker is that this lid just threads on, so it's not gonna spill while you're shaking it. All right, now, the Highball Shaker is large, so I'd recommend if you have smaller hands, shake with 2 hands. I like to shake about 20 or 30 seconds. All right, finished diluting my margaritas. I've got 6 ready to go, and I'm gonna pour them over ice. We're gonna garnish them classic with a lime. All right, cheers.